Hello everyone, Happy New Year from me in 2023. I hope this year's we got some knowledge and on New Year and happy. Let's start our learning today, okay? I will try to set up my video and let's roll. Okay, like here we are always using PicoCTF.org. Before our learning now, I hope you can share, like, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start our learning in 2023. Yeah, log in here and check. Our score is 16 and 50. Okay, I wanna hide the solve all categories. This is a reverse engineering binary exploitation, and let's check our progress tracker is cryptography is 21 by 15 by 50, and let's finish our cryptography. What is the mission today? Cryptography Transposition-trial, 100 points. Let's check it out. Author by Will Hong. Text PicoCTF 2022 cryptography category. Our data got corrupted on the way here. Luckily nothing got replaced, okay, but every block of 3 got scrambled around. The first word seems to be there. The first word seems to be 3 letters long. Maybe you can use that to recover the rest of the message. Download the corrupted message here. Okay, let's check a look our hints. Look like hints is nothing. Okay, 21%. Let's open our terminal. I will show you and move to our PicoCTF directory, category cryptography. Okay, we check a look, and in here we doesn't have the transposition-trial. Okay, let's make a directory with mkdir transposition and change to that directory. I will control command C and command P, and over here I want to clear, and let's copy link address about the message, and we get the message, and also open it with Visual Studio Code and take a look at the message. Okay, we got the message here. I hope you can see. I will zoom it. The message is, what's that? Look like it's scrambled. Okay, let's create our solve.py. Okay, and close the here, and let's create the shebang. I will use Python 3 to solve this, and let's message equals to, we open the file and read it as byte read. Okay, dot read line. I want to print the message. And let's open new terminal here and use Python 3 to use our solve.py. Okay, what we got here, let's take our missions. It's got corrupted, and the way here luckily nothing got replaced. Okay, but every block, okay, we will use let's say block here equals to 3. Okay, and let's loop. I want to print length of message divided by 3. Okay, let's for let's say the word is x. I want to say the word in range 0 point to length of message. We support index by block, and let's print w. Okay, and try 51. Okay, it's the okay, plus 3. I want to print message got the index of this is the indexing, not the word, but it's the I will call it the IDX. The IDX from to IDX plus the block. Okay, and this is the flag message. This is the message. It's got scrambled every 3 letters here. Let's take this one. Okay, it's look like the in the middle is the last, because our flags is usually using like this PicoCTF, and this square bracket is the end. Okay, the possibility is the 3 possibility to replace position is the indexing 0 with the indexing 1. Let's say the index 0, 1 and 2, and 0.2.1 and 1.0.2 and 1.2.0 and 2.0.1 and 2.1.0. This is the possibility of the block, because the block is 3. Let's scramble here. I will say the character 1, character 2 and character 3 equals to this. I will say the char C equals to this, and C1 point C2 point C3 is equal to C index 0 point C index 1 point C index 2. Okay, let's print our C1, C2 and C3, and print the C here. Let's take a look. Oh, value error, not enough values to unpack this. Okay, 926. What? Why is E? That's from the I'll try to clear that and run it again. Oh, C3 is not list. The C3 equals to index 2, and let's take a look. Okay, and we got the character here, and it got scrambled. What we want to do is try to modify it. Let's say the flag equals to empty string, and I will set the flag 1, flag 2, and flag 3 equals to this. Okay, now let's say flag 1 is the possibility is we got scrambled here 0, 1, 2, and the possibility is 0.1.2 and 0.2.1 and 1.0.2 and let's say 1.2.0 and 2.0.1 and 2.1.0. This is the possibility the flag I will use. The 0, 1, 2 is the same thing, so we exclude this, and let's say flag plus equals to C2 point plus C1 plus C0. Oh, no. The zero is C1. I think we not use this, just use the indexing here. Flag 1 equals to 0, 2, 1. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will use 5 flag here. We will check the possibility scrambled message here. 1, 1 and 0 and 2. This is the flag 2. Let's copy and paste here, and flag 3 this is plus equals. Okay, this possibility was here, this possibility was, and 1, 2 and 0 this was, and flag 5 row is 2.0.1 and the flag 5 equals to 2, 1 and 0. Okay. And I want to print the flag 1, 2 and flag 3 and flag 4 and then the last flag. Now we will try to run and can only concatenate str, not a tuple to str. Okay. Let's say C index 1, not a tuple. Where's the tuple? Can only concatenated str, not tuple to str. Is the C1 is the tuple? Oh. I see. This is not a tuple, but this is plus. Okay. Sorry, this is my fault, I think. And we can option here. Try to click here and here and plus here. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, we got the 5 support the flag. The first is this, the lecture. I think this is not the flag, and we got the flag in the 4 format. The 4 format is 201. Okay, the flag is PicoCTF. Transposing is expensive. Okay, and let's submit our flag and paste it here. Ta-da, we got 100 points. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share it and like and subscribe. Thank you. I think it's our new learning today on the new year.